Hello! Today we're going to look at finding the volume of solids, and I'm going to give you an example of a particular solid. So my example here is finding the volume of this square-based pyramid. Now you don't know the formula for that yet, and in this case I'm just going to give you that. We're not going to derive it, but I'm going to give you that formula. So the formula for any pyramid actually is the volume is a third area of the base multiplied by the height. So in this case we've got a third multiplied, well, the area of the base is square based, so it must be 8 multiplied by 8, area of the base, because it's a square. So a third multiplied by 8 squared, and then we don't have the height, so we're going to somehow have to work out the height from the information we've got. Now you'll notice in the pyramid we've got this right angle triangle, and the height is here. So when we refer to the height in this formula, it's the vertical height or the perpendicular height. It's your height straight up and down. Here, that height, that's a slant height. The height we refer to, perpendicular height, straight up and down. Excuse me. So if we look at our right angle triangle here, we're missing a length here. So we've got this length, then we could find the height. Now if this is a square, then this length is 8. So if we've got the perpendicular height, that's going to drop straight down into the middle. Therefore this length here is going to be half of this length here. So that's going to be 4. So if we want to find h, we're going to use Pythagoras. So the hypotenuse squared, hypotenuse in this case 5, remember the hypotenuse is opposite the right angle. So hypotenuse squared, 5 squared, equals h squared plus 4 squared. So hypotenuse squared equals the sum of the squares of the two sides. 5 squared, 25. 4 squared, 16. Subtract 16 from both sides, and we get h squared equals 9. So to find h, I should say, we square root 9, and we find it's 3. So the height of the square-based pyramid is 3. So going back to our formula, we can put 3 in there. So we've got a third multiplied by 8 squared multiplied by 3. Well, a third of 3 is 1, so it cancels out. So it leaves us with 8 squared. 8 squared is 64. So the volume of this square-based pyramid, I'll say that again, square-based pyramid is 64 cubic centimeters. Goodbye, and thanks for watching.